Deciphering Swanky. Dive into slang. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and stylish word from the English language, swanky. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning, but you'll also be able to use it confidently in your daily conversations. The term swanky is an adjective that describes something that is stylish, luxurious, or elegant. It often carries a connotation of being a bit showy or flashy. For instance, if someone refers to a restaurant as swanky, they're suggesting that the restaurant is upscale, perhaps with fancy decor and high-end menu items. Examples: she lives in a swanky apartment downtown. They went out to a swanky dinner for their anniversary. While the exact origins of the word are debated, swanky is believed to have originated from British slang during the early 20th century. It is thought to derive from the old word, swank, which means show off or ostentation. Over time, the term evolved and is now commonly used to describe anything that looks luxurious or stylish. Now that you know what swanky means, it's time to learn how to incorporate it into your daily vocabulary. Remember, it's an adjective, so it's used to describe nouns. Examples: 1. The new hotel in town is so swanky. I'd love to spend a night there. 2. He drove a swanky sports car, turning heads wherever he went. 3. They threw a swanky party at their mansion last weekend. Tip: when using swanky, make sure the context implies luxury, elegance, or a hint of showiness. And there you have it. Now you know all about the word swanky and how to use it in your conversations. Remember, language is a tool to express ourselves, and adding words like these to your vocabulary can make your expressions even more colorful. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.